Welcome to your new favorite outdoor space with the Devoko Patio porch furniture set, featuring 3 pieces of stylish and durable PE rattan wicker furniture in brown and blue. This set includes 2 comfortable chairs with soft sponge-filled seats and a sturdy tea table topped with toughened glass for easy cleaning. Built with a strong steel frame and weather-resistant materials, it can handle rain, wind, and high temperatures without fading or cracking. Perfect for patios, porches, gardens, balconies, and poolside areas, it adds both function and charm to any outdoor setting. Assembly is quick and simple with all necessary tools and clear instructions included, so you can enjoy your new furniture right away. Plus, the removable covers make maintenance a breeze, keeping your set looking fresh and inviting. Experience comfort, durability, and style all in one with this versatile outdoor furniture set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.